Hello everyone. Welcome back to my brand new video. This video sponsored by Dingtone. Dingtone is a telephone application that provides voice calls between mobile phones, using phone numbers. Users can also send or receive text messages using this service. Who are Dingtone users and who are not using app? It's mean its support to direct phone line. The best thing is Dingtone offer you a phone number without SIM. It's mean you can use this phone number as your real one. Let's talk about what is Dingtone, how to use it. We can see a lot of apps from internet for free calls and messages. But we cannot call or message to direct line. Only for app to app. But this Dingtone app support to calls and messages to who are not used Dingtone app. It's mean you can call and message direct line any of number in the world. This service you can use following this app. Free phone number. Online calls to any line. Free online call to any mobile or landline with no SIM card or cell plans needed. Text with real number. Free online SMS, texts, voice and images on a real number from an app. The best thing is, free phone number for unlimited usage. In this video I will explain how to get free phone number with Dingtone. This phone numbers are real, and you are free to choose country. This service not limit to one phone number. We can get multiple phone numbers from this service providers. This phone numbers support all features same as real SIM card number. It's mean you can create social accounts and register anywhere with this number. It's work as SIM card number. After get a phone number, you can keep them as your real number. Dingtone starts at 2012 and it's trusted network now. There is too many users now. If you are not Dingtone user, hurry up, don't miss this offer. Register now. Links in description. You can read them following this blog. Therefore I already put the link official site in my video description. This app support for iOS and Android. Let's see how to work them in iOS and Android. On your iPhone open Apps Store and type Dingtone. Then we can see Dingtone app. They show up what offer for you with Dingtone iOS app. They support all features what we talked before. However, I am a Dingtone user. Let me show my Dingtone app. This is dial pad of my app. They support all many countries. You can choose country then type phone number. Then you can call them. However, for this we need account credits. I will show you how to earn free credits. Therefore wait for it. To buy a number, click connect. Then you can see my numbers and valid dates. After this valid days we should renew. If you like to buy a phone number, click add a new phone number. Then select a country what you like to use. They are provide many countries phone numbers. After select a number you can buy them. If you have Android mobile, they have more features and easy to buy a phone number. And there is a way to get free phone number. Let's see how to work with Dingtone using Android mobile. The Dingtone app can download from Google Play Store. Is this your first time? Then we should create an account. We can use email or mobile number. I am going to use my SIM card number for this. After creating account you will see account with 0 credits. But don't worry, we can earn free credits. Select get free credits. Then we can earn free credits, following daily check-in, feeling lucky, and playing games, and completing Dingtone tasks. There is many ways to earn free credits. If you like to get a free phone number, click connect icon. Then click get your first phone number. Then select a country. We are free to choose phone numbers from area code. After select the phone number, you will appear like this page. They show up how to buy a number. Click more option. There is one more option to buy a phone number without money, using credits. When you earn free credits you can buy them for credits. I will show you in next videos how to get free credits and buy a phone number free with credits. If you are Dingtone user, comment me what I missed. In next video, I will show you how to get a free phone number, how to use this number for everything, and much more. If you interesting for this, please comment me below. Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.